What's up guys, today we are a new video of Build for Treasure, and today I'm going to show you how to get the portals for completely free.
Oh my god! Wow!
Which is insane because to get 4 portals for free it's insane because you can get 8 portals for 250 Robux. So uh, I'm going to show you how to get them, but first you need to leave a like and subscribe my channel, and yeah, let's start. So basically what you're gonna need is this one, these two, so you can select all and anchor and stuff like this. And you gotta need um or the a jet, like airplane, uh, or balloons, yeah, together. And so now we're gonna uh, take this one like this, uh, like this, put 3 by 3 blocks on it. Okay, you're putting a pilot seat, bruh, and the airplane. Okay, now you're gonna take cannon. uh you're gonna put it there, and okay, you're gonna delete this. Take the tool I told you, select all of those, and unanchor. Okay, nice. Now you're gonna go to and you first gotta check if you have the crystals area in that place. And I do. I already can see it after this. And you gotta be ready with the tool and select all of those. When you get in there, you're gonna anchor it. It's pretty amazing things to do. Like if you have this tool, it's really good because people don't have that tool. Gotta like with their boat stay here and destroy like. Okay, and then I'm going to stop this, and now we're gonna shoot on the crystals on the wall, just on the wall. Doesn't matter which color. I can just spawn more cannons, and but I mean I could do it before, but I didn't want to show you. Just so you need to destroy about 10 crystals. It's not that hard. It's really easy. Oh my god, what was that? Okay, so I'm going to do it fast. I think about 2 more we need to do. We can do it, guys. We can do it. Oh, and then you see it's gonna show you like this and teleport you there. Yeah, okay, now you're gonna walk all the way there. Okay, now you're gonna go to the side. You see there is one, wait, there is one portal, see green, and there is yellow. I will just show you an example because it's like taking like few minutes, and I don't want the video to be really long, so I will show you. Maybe down the black portal. Yeah, and we found the first crystal, which is the white one. You have to find two more. Take this and put it here. See, and now the other two, and then it's gonna spawn a big chest. You're gonna claim it, and then you get, I think, some gold and the portals. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed that video and it helped you. Leave a like, subscribe my channel, and see you next video. Bye.